Hello, Wolfpack students. I am Assistant Principal Mr. Hoadley. On behalf of the administration and staff of West Hills, I am here today to discuss our student handbook. The faculty and staff are proud to partner with you in your education. Educational success for all students cannot be complete without an effective partnership with students, parents and guardians, and staff. It is important that we build a strong relationship in order to best serve your educational needs. You will find the student handbook contains information regarding the policies and procedures established to ensure a smooth operation of our school. There are also general guidelines for attending and receiving an education. Do note that any policy or procedure may be amended or changed at any time. Changes will be communicated by administration to students, parents and guardians, and staff. We now would like to take a moment to review some specific topics in the 2020-21 Student Handbook. You can find the entire student handbook posted on our homepage, wolfpack.uhsd.net, under the Students tab. You will begin by turning to page 3, where you will find the table of contents that has many different topics and page numbers. We're going to start by going to page 11 and talk briefly about athletics. On page 11, you will find athletic information here, such as coach's name and coach's emails. You can also find information about athletic clearance on our website. I also would like you to review our fan code of conduct on page 25 with your parents. We're now going to talk about attendance on page 19. Attendance policies will continue to change throughout the school year as we move from level 1 to level 2 and all the other different levels. Please continue to check our attendance policy on page 19. We're then going to talk about, on page 29, our video conferencing and distance learning responsible use agreement. Remember, the following agreements represent Grossmont Union High School District's best practices for video conferencing with students. These tools may include Zoom, Google Hangouts, or other tools. Remember, as a student, you agree to conduct yourselves as if you are in an educational setting with appropriate behavior and attire. Please see some other important information about video conferencing and distance learning. We're then going to turn to page 31, where we have some information on our discipline policies. Remember that school rules and policies are based on educational code and district policy with the goal of creating a safe and positive environment for all students. All school rules will be enforced while on campus, while coming and going to and from school, during school hours, whether or not off campus, including while truant from school, and during or while coming to and going from a school-sponsored activity. Please see the West Hills Behavior Code for more specific information. We then would like you to review our academic dishonesty policy on page 42. Students are expected to practice responsible and honest behavior, to complete your assigned work to the best of your abilities, and to turn assignments in on time and to be contributing members of each class. Academic honesty is to be valued by all students at West Hills. Acts of academic dishonesty, which will not be tolerated within the Grossmont Union High School District, include, but are not limited to, any of the following acts below: cheating on tests, fabrication, unauthorized collaboration, plagiarism, and or theft or altercation of materials. Please see the specific consequences here for your first offense, second offense, and third offense. If you need to see some examples of academic dishonesty, please see the examples on the bottom of page 42. I would like to take a moment to direct you back to the front of our student handbook to talk about the West Hills Way. West Hills High School does have a mission statement. Our mission statement is to graduate critical thinkers and problem solvers who contribute positively to society as productive, responsible citizens. And to help West Hills students understand what that means, we developed the West Hills Way back in 1987 when West Hills opened with 300 students and 14 teenagers and staff members who came together to make the West Hills Way. I'd like you to take a moment to read the West Hills Way and remember that there are 8 simple steps to the West Hills Way, and always remember, we are one, we are the pack. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact West Hills administration about our student handbook. Our hope is that the partnership you develop with West Hills will reflect a positive feeling about education and will be a plausible experience for everyone. Sincerely, West Hills administration. Go Wolfpack!